All right, students. So now you've completed two discussion posts. One was descriptive writing, the other was about literary devices. Now, for your third post, you're going to be working on Harris Burdick stories. This is where you get to get even more creative than you were in the other two discussion posts. So basically, what's going to happen is you're going to look through a series of images in the following slides. You're going to choose one to write a brief story about. Harris Burdick is a 1984 picture book by the American author Chris Van Allsburg. It is a series of seemingly unrelated, highly detailed images using his distinct style. Each image is accompanied by a title and a single line of text, a caption, to give you some ideas. All right. So here's option one: title, another place, another time. Caption: if there was an answer, he'd find it there. Option two: the seven chairs. Title: the seven chairs. Caption: the fifth one ended up in France. Option three: title: the house on Maple Street. It was a perfect liftoff. All right, so for this week's discussion post, you're going to examine the image you chose to write about carefully. Consider how to interpret and incorporate the title and caption into your story, and begin drafting a short story inspired by the image in a 20-minute free write. If you want to write more at the end of 20 minutes, go for it. If you want to do additional stories, go for it. And additional images, go for it. So copy and paste whatever you write into the Harris Burdick discussion board, or type it out into the discussion board. All right. Okay, that's it. Those are the things for the week. If you have any questions, you can email me or send me a message. All right. Have fun.